and welcome to today's video where we're looking at a SMALLRIG clamp mount with 1/4 screw ball head mount. So it's a SMALLRIG, it's been sent like this through the post and they've just put stickers on it. Basically running the box before I even got it. So let's open it up and see what it's like. I'm expecting some strong piece of metal. So what we've got in the box. We've got lots of plastic to start with. And we have a card. So plastic bags can be dangerous. To avoid the dangers of suffocation, keep this bag away from babies and children. Yep. Junk. I'll get my email address. So I have an Allen key and a shoe mount. And in here we have this SMALLRIG. That's a chunky bit of metal, that. I think that's the only piece of plastic. No, is that metal as well? That's metal. So we only have one piece of rubber. Is that metal or plastic? Can't tell. It looks like metal. So that looks like the only bit of plastic on here is this rubber. And these rubber feet here as well. So if we open it up, that's why you attach it to your rig. So that's pretty good. So unlike most of our junk, I guess it's covered in plastic and nothing but plastic. So let's see what we're going to attach it to. Would be a unit, field monitor unit, and just screws in like this. Then that would attach to your SMALLRIG like that. That's not going to break or fall off because that's sturdy mount, that. Yep, that's a pretty good mount. I like that. So what would I give that out of 5? 5 out of 5 I would give that. Pretty good mount. Looks the part, and it's heavy. Not always practical when you need to carry your lightweight. And let's see if I can get something to test it on. I'm going to test it on this rig in here. So if we're going to like attach it to the back part would be the easiest. So yeah, that's attached, pretty good. It's not going to fall. Though I am risking it falling doing that. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yep, I would give that 5 out of 5. That's pretty strong. Nothing's gonna break on that. And if you enjoyed that video, please check back for more videos coming soon.